it's Miss Sarah, and here I have Miss Angela and Miss Rifna. And today we're going to do a fun experiment.
Miss Sarah, what are we going to do today?
Well, we are going to observe how some colors make different colors when they are mixed up.
Wow!
Yeah! Let's get started. Well, before that, we need to tell our friends what we need for our activity. So here we have some paint bottles. And here we have a big jar with water. And here we have some little jars. Well, do you want to count how many jars we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little jars. And we have one big jar.
And now we're going to pour some water into the cups. Can you see how the water mixes the paint well?
Okay, so now we have our 4 cups, but we are gonna move it and keep another cup in between. Okay, and here goes the next cup and another one over here. Well done! So now we are gonna use some tissues for the experiment. Auntie Rifna is gonna fold the tissue in half like this. And then we're gonna take it, fold it like this, and we're gonna put it one side into the paint and the other side into the empty bottle. That we're gonna put more tissues. Let's see what's gonna happen. So now that all our tissues are in, we're gonna wait for some time till the tissue absorbs all the water and makes a different color, okay? But it takes a lot of time to absorb. So let's come back in another 1 hour's time and see what has happened. Well, I hope you enjoyed that experiment.
Don't hesitate to try this at home with your mommies and daddies.
Hope to see you soon. Bye.